My mission is to help as many people as I can. This is Peter Burns coming to you with the Ask Peter series. And what I've been asked quite a bit in the last few days is, how do you recover from an absolute disaster in business and still land on your feet? Well, let me tell you how you do it. You keep a cool head. You don't forget that you're a business person and that you have to always be going towards the end game to recover. You want to make sure that you have that team around you that you've cultivated, and if you've done your job right, you've been a good person, you're going to have great people around supporting you, and you're going to reach out to the friendships that you've made along your path, because let me tell you something. The true friends come to your aid and help you beyond any imaginable way. We can't tell you how many friends came and helped us out of this last incident we had. How do you recover from something bad happening in business? And it can happen to any one of us. You reach to your friends, you keep your head on straight, and you surround yourself with a core of people who will always be there, good times and bad. That's my advice for you. Thank you.